Oh no. Aus der ganzen hure Stadt können sie. Oh hell no.
Doc, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it.
Oh,
Doug, Carly,
okay.
and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
No!
Alright, that door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Oh shit.
Away from the windows.
Glenn! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Hey, Lee, if we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great guy.
Danke. Wir schaffen es, Alter.
Make it through this.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
Oh, oh, close it, close it, close it.
I should know what?
Huh?
You said I should know.
Shit!
Oh shit, 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 shit.
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! Okay, then. Can you look for something to stick in between the hammers?
Yep.
Something real strong, okay?
Okay.
Go, Clementine. Oh, hit it back.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing. Oh, wait.
That window is screwed.
Go, go, go. Nein! Oh, cool, 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 cool. Yes, ey. Schließ es nochmal.
Found something.
Yeah, 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 stick. Yeah, man. You're a good girl. Make my father proud. And put it in, put it in. Yeah, man. Good. No, 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 no. Don't bite him. No, don't bite him. Oh, shit. Ammo the Glenn. See you the Glenn. See you the Glenn. Oh, no, ich hasse es. Wir brauchen sie und Pistole. Sie und Pistole. Sie und Pistole. Ist wichtiger. I'm sorry. Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. Fast, 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 bitch. Move. Oh.
Get him off of me.
No. Glenn. Fuck.
God.
Fuck.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ja. Los, 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 los.
God, Doug.
Nein. Clementine. Oh.
Gotta move.
Oh, du bitch. Lass ich sie. Take the pick. Go, go, go. Glenn, Glenn, Glenn.
Son of a bitch.
What? Oh, I should have let you die. Mother. What? Oh,
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today.
ja, thanks. Thanks, nimm die Hand. Glenn, nimm die Hand.
Especially a good friend.
Nein, das ist ja nicht der Glenn. Wer heißen wir? Ich weiß es nicht mehr. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Get. Oh. Wo ist der Larry? Wo ist der fucking Larry? Wo ist das Arschloch? Wenn der meine Clementine mitgenommen hat, hey. Hey, Clemmy. Lily? Clementine? Gefällt mir nicht, dass du bei ihr bist. Okay, okay, nein, ist cool. Ist cool, wir sind alle zusammen. It was so awesome. Er ist so... Glenn? Nein, wie heißt der? Doch, das ist der Glenn. Der andere war der Doug, genau. Oh, wow, man. Hey, da hat's noch mehr. Dort hat es noch mehr Survivors, aber ich glaube, die haben es nicht geschafft. I guess it's time to talk to the people.
Hey, Glenn.
What up?
In all counties, Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, stage 8
I think I need to go.
What?
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Wo ist dein Vater? Kuh? Gut, du kannst nichts dafür, dass er so ein Arschloch ist. Ich weiss nicht, was ich sagen soll. Soll ich sagen, dass er möglich bei uns bleibt? Oder soll ich ihm sagen, hey, los, find's? Oder soll ich sagen, mach was du willst? Man? Wir können die Leute brauchen, auf jeden Fall. Aber er hat keine Waffe, also... Mach du, was du musst tun.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Ja.
And I gotta do this.
I respect that.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
And Lee, you know, if this doesn't get better, people are going to give up. Like the girl from upstairs.
That's true.
Are you just gonna let them? You told Carly to give her the gun.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe you were right. I don't know how to handle something like that. Anyway, see you around.
Weißt du, Glenn, ich habe schon so viele Zombie-Filme gesehen. Ich weiss, dass es kein Gegenmittel gibt. Ja gut, vielleicht gibt es in diesem Game endlich mal eins, aber ja, du Arschloch nicht hin. Weißt du, den gehen wir jetzt gerade zusammenschlagen. Wo ist er? Wo ist das Arschloch? Ach, kann nicht. Wir gehen zuerst zum Dings.
Hey, kid.
Zum Kenny.
Close call back there.
Thanks
They
for
killed
picking me
Kenny!
No problem.
No, Nick.
We have to take care of each other.
up. Yeah,
wow.
we do.
Hey, about Clementine.
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did.
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are gonna be just fine.
Thanks, Kenny.
You got it.
Thank you. Ich weiss nicht mehr, wie du heisst. Aber du willst auch nicht mit mir reden, hä? Sorry, was er schwörst. Ah,
How you doing,
Besser.
darling?
Carly.
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. Happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We
See,
just
are you?
met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Ah, fuck, ja, sorry, dass ich da die Love Story. Ich bin sicher, er hat dich gern
Well,
gehabt.
I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
What is it?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
I was gonna help you both.
Yep,
But you helped me first.
you got the gun.
I did.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly.
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Oh, wow. Hey Kids, what are you up to? Die anderen gehen wir nachher zusammenschlagen, hä?
Dumatron had this minigun on his shoulder.
You
It's all like
asshole.
pow,
Du
pow,
bist
pow.
so ein...
That Super Dinosaur was toast. But you know what?
Das
He
ist so ein...
wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Duck, you wanna cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Oh no. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
Ihre Vater hat mich
Her dad tried
getötet,
to kill
also...
me, so
Hat's wollen.
Well, he did that because he knows that Lee Everett is a convicted murderer. And so will everyone else if you go near her. You hear me? I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Du bist einfach ein Arschloch. Du hast keine Ahnung.
Hey, Lee, do you have a second?
Ah.
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
Und I would be. Und ich wäre nicht am Leben, wenn dein Dad allein da wäre.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
What's happening here? What's that sound?
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me
Chopper.
too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Das stimmt.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
I hope so. Oh no. What now? Part 1 ist fertig, Leute. Ich hoffe, es hat euch so gefallen wie mir. Ah, wir sehen noch, was passiert das nächste Mal.
I thought we'd be fine if we survived the walkers.
Ich hoffe, euch hat der erste Teil gefallen. Mir sehr. Was ist
I
denn
want you to
vor?
have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't owe me anything, Carly. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry.
Oh
Lee.
shit, das
We
Essen
gotta
ist
get food,
ausgegangen.
Lee. Soon.
Oh wow.
Howdy. I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
Don't repeat what happened with the walkers at Herschel's farm. You choose the kids this time.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
What? Oh shit, was?
You never liked my dad. Even back at the drugstore whenever you thought Kenny's kid was bit, you went out of your way to side against him.
This isn't happening.
No more, please. No more, please. Please, please.
Oh wow. Liebe Leute, ich bin sehr, sehr gespannt aufs Kapitel 2. Aha. Da sieht man, wer, wie, wo, was. Nein. Ich und 5 andere haben ihre Pistolen nicht geben. Okay, ist noch interessant, das muss ich sehen. Wir werden uns im nächsten Kapitel wieder sehen. Ich brauche jetzt eine Pause. Also, es ist... Boah, ich bin überwältigt. Es ist so geil, so emotional und es wird hure schlimm. Die meiste Zeit bin ich so da gehockt mit den Händen an der Stirn. Oder besser gesagt, einfach so die Hände vor dem Gesicht. Ich habe den Bildschirm schon noch gesehen, aber einfach so fast kopfschüttelnd. Es ist so krass. So krass. Wir sehen uns im nächsten Mal. Ich mache kurze Parts, 15 Minuten und bis dann. Peace.